Saturday, north winds around 10 knots backing northwest. Sunny. Waves 1 foot or less.
This is the National Weather Service in Grand Rapids. The signal you just heard was a weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio Warning Alarm System. We normally conduct the test on Wednesdays around 11:15 in the morning. However, if there's a threat of severe weather on Wednesday, we'll postpone the test until the next available good weather day. We advise that weather conditions will affect the signal quality of the broadcast. We'll activate the warning alarm tone for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties. On 162.40 megahertz Onondaga, those counties are Ranch, Calhoun, Clinton, Eaton, Gratiot, Hillsdale, Ingham, Jackson, Livingston, and Shiawassee. On 162.425 megahertz from West Olive, those counties are Allegan, Muskegon, and Ottawa. On 162.475 megahertz from Historia, those counties are Muskegon, Newaygo, and Oceana. On 162.525 megahertz from Mount Pleasant, those counties are Clare, Gratiot, Isabella, Mecosta, Midland, Montcalm, and Osceola. On 162.55 megahertz from Cannonsburg, those counties are Allegan, Murray, Ionia, Kent, Montcalm, Muskegon, Newaygo, Oceana, and Ottawa. On 162.475 megahertz from Plainwell, those counties are Allegan, Bury, Van Buren, Kalamazoo, and Calhoun. On 162.425 megahertz from Wolf Lake, those counties.
Here is the nearshore forecast for waters within 5 nautical miles from shore for the following: St. Joseph to South Haven, Michigan. Dense fog advisory in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening. West of today, northwest winds 5 to 10 knots. Mostly sunny. Tonight, south winds 5 to 10 knots. Partly cloudy.